Hi, my name is Justin Odisho, and in this series, I'm going to be walking you through the basics of learning Adobe Premiere Pro. In this first episode, we're going to take a look at what Premiere Pro is, who uses Premiere Pro, and some of the different ways it can be used. Adobe Premiere Pro is the industry-leading video editing software for film, TV, and the web. Using a timeline-based editor and easy-to-use interface, it allows you to arrange and edit many different types of clips and footages together into a polished film or video of your chosen format. With Premiere Pro, you can take video clips, graphics, audio tracks, and more, and arrange them all together in a layer-based timeline to create videos and tell stories. Premiere allows you to create from and export files of all types, whether it's for social media and the web or television and broadcast. Premiere Pro is perfect for everyone from hobbyist individuals all the way up to professional TV and film crews. Individuals could use Premiere Pro to put together videos of their travels, showcase their talents, or create fun montages of personal memories. Professionals could also use Premiere Pro to edit their films, music videos, documentaries, and more. Not only does Premiere come with tools to arrange and layer these clips together in a timeline, but you can also add effects, titles, color grading and correcting, and more with all the powerful built-in tools in Premiere. Additionally, with the full Adobe Creative Cloud suite, you can work seamlessly between Premiere and other programs like Photoshop and After Effects to take your projects to the next level with graphics and effects. You can also take your editing on the go with programs such as Adobe Premiere Rush, which allow you to take your projects mobile. Premiere Pro and the entire Creative Cloud suite also regularly offers updates to provide new time-saving tools and other all-in-one editing solutions. When I'm not personally teaching the basics of video editing through these softwares, I also use them to put together videos for myself and others. For example, I have my own podcast where I interview interesting creative guests, and I use Premiere Pro to sync together the video and audio recordings so I can share these episodes online. I've also used Premiere Pro to create videos and marketing material for local businesses to use on their social medias and websites. I've also created personal videos and slideshows for friends and family on occasions such as weddings or special events and birthdays. So that's a basic introduction into what Premiere Pro is and some of the ways it's used. And in the next videos of this playlist, we're going to actually take a look at what's available in the Premiere Pro interface, how to create our own new projects, and some of the basics of video editing with Premiere. You can find all of the episodes of this series in order in a playlist on the Adobe Creative Cloud YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you over in the next episode.